welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing coffee benefits. So coffee more than benefits, it finds reduce the antioxidants and increase the healthy hairs, reduce your eye bags and dark circles. Many more benefits about a coffee scrubs, and they reduce the temperature of impressive. They improve your blood flow level and many more benefits. Let's get start the video.
First of all, we need that some sugar and coffee, and the third ingredient we need that is this coconut oil. This oil is very good for the skin. So let's get start the video making as well to scrub it and skin so you look beautiful and great look for you. So let's we make this ingredients. So first of all, we are add some coconut oil and some sugar and coconut. So mixing this ingredients as very well. So coconut oil mix that very well now. So we can apply into the skin. See the more result after 20-30 minutes. You can wash it and see your face scrub result. You look so fabulous, great look, glowing skin, and removing the tan and improve the skin cells. You can show glowing skin. So I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe my channel for a new notifications. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icons for new notifications. Thank you guys. Bye bye.